So what do we mean by acquire? Term that's been thrown around: obtaining data, acquiring data, accumulating data. We mean the ways in which the data is ingested or obtained for use. There are many ways to obtain data, and here are a few examples. First silo of data is the survey data type. These are generated through online polls, forum discussions, or social media platforms. We then have a tracked amount of data, and these can generate through ad trackers, website interactions, traffic monitoring tools, platforms like Google Ads 360 or Facebook Business. We then have transaction data. Now, these are the most general and most used data types. This is data you use in your day-to-day operations, forming databases, silos, generating your sales data, current warehouse in history or archive, and is the most unused type of data because it is normally left at rest. The last one is response data, and this is data we generate through experience. This is communicated responses or feedback. After transaction ratings, business rating publications based on interactions with staff or public.